Hello viewers, my name is Mohammed Farooq. In our project of Buzdar Insights, the leaders are readers. Today I would like to share the summary of magic of thinking big. If someone asks me that what self-help books would you recommend to me, then probably this book is gonna be the top book in my recommendation list. As per the author of the book, that all of us want to be famous. All of us want to have a good business, a good job, a good family and a happy life. But most of the people in the world fail to do so. It's not like that they are not making effort. They are trying every day. They are trying their hard to achieve their objectives. But why they fail? As per the author, they fail because they think small. To achieve all these things, the fundamental things you need to have is to think big. And how do you think big? Then there are different steps, then there are different tips which I will share in this summary, which you can use to be successful. So the first thing is that you must create the environment of success. If you are living in a poor area, if you are surrounded by the people who do not own money, if you are in a poor village, then obviously you cannot be rich by staying there. You have to change your community. You want to be a businessman, you have to go to a society, a community which is affluent, and they can buy your product and you can have a business and you can become rich. Similarly, if you want to be a teacher, if you want to be a researcher, then you must surround yourself with the teachers or researchers. You have to create the environment. The second thing is that you have to all the time dress well. You have to get ready for the success all the time. The author is of opinion that our appearances matter a lot. People judge us by our clothes, by our way of talking, by our area from where we belong. So we have to all the time improve ourselves, improve our living area, improve our car, improve our dressing. The third thing which author recommends is that never make excuses. Most of the people fail by making excuses. For example, I am sure that you have met some person in your life who does not have a degree with an excuse that he came from a backward area or his family was poor. He could not afford the education. While at the same time, you will find the poorer someone who is poorer than him is getting an education or doing a degree. So the author says that never ever make the excuses. The fourth thing is the power of now. The author says that all the time, whatever comes in your mind, take the action. The now has the main power. For example, I wanted to record this video right now. I read the book, I made the summary. I could have said that I will make it tomorrow. I could have said that when I will have a coat and a tie, then I will make this video. The author says that what happens that when we delay something, we do not take the action, what happens is that the best time or the favorite time will never come. Most of the people never ever take action in their life by thinking that the perfect time will come. If we wait, our insecurities will increase and we will continuously make the filters to have the best time. So whatever you have, take the action, start with that, you will be successful. If you are not doing it properly today, chances are you will do it tomorrow in a better way. The next thing is that whenever you take the action, make sure that you are confident. Be confident like you believe in the water. Whenever we are thirsty, we drink the water. We believe that after drinking the water, we will be no more thirsty. So this is the power of water. Similarly, you have to believe on your actions. You have to believe with the attitude of that you're gonna win. And the last point is that this is something practical which I recommend you to do today, is that write your skills, whatever strengths you have, write 5 to 6 strengths, and then make list of the people who are successful but they do not have those skills. This will give you the confidence that you can also be successful. I wish you good luck. I wish you success in life. If you like this summary, please share it with the people so that they also find it useful. If you want me to make summary of some book, I have several thousand ebooks. I have the access to main libraries of the books. I will make summary of the book for you just in case. If you need any book in PDF form, I have the soft books. Please also comment me on my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. I will share with you the book. Thank you so much.